Watch a parking lot of around 100 Teslas put on a light show tribute to the Oscar-winning song Natu Natu.
From Triple R, which is like an Indian action film.
How did they coordinate this? Social media, obviously. They're like, hey, everybody meet up here. 100 cars?
Uh-huh.
Natu Natu, which this year became the first song from an Indian film to win the Oscar for Best Original Song, can be heard playing in the video as rows of Tesla cars flash on and off to the beat. Footage from the event has racked up over 8.8 million views. All right.
It's pretty cool.
All right.
So you can kind of see.
You got to coordinate 100 Teslas for this. I don't think that's the song they had. I doubt it.
I don't want to put on the song.
The song is heavy copyright.
It's a whole thing. Like this isn't an event.
So they did it in a parking lot, but I don't even, where's the Tesla charge station here? Where are they?
Just a parking lot.
Oh, just a regular parking lot.
And you can kind of see, like, they make the triple R letters
that is
with
cool.
Teslas, and then it just kind of lights up in this light show.
Yeah, that is
I didn't
cool.
know that you can program, like, a light show.
Well, I've seen them do the symphony stuff and the Christmas stuff. But these ones are all communicating.
Mm-hmm.
So there's coordination involved here. So did Tesla help coordinate this?
No.
Are you sure?
I think this was by a fan.
That's some serious marketing going on there. If they're not involved with it, that's a tribute to Natu Natu. Check out this exclusive aerial footage of a dazzling Tesla light show synchronized to the Oscar-winning Natu Natu from RRR movie. Watch this one-of-a-kind, electrifying rhythms event that's taking the internet by storm. Yeah.
This is fun,
8.8 million views is cool. It's pretty cool.
And Elon actually replied as well,
you're damn
which
right.
is 2 hearts.
You're damn right, he replied.
Yeah.
He's like, look at this right here. Organic marketing.
Yeah. That's Elon?
Organic.
That's his voice?
That's what I want. That's what I'm looking for. Doesn't hurt the budget.